According to latest media reports, India has started the work on the 1 lakh crore rupees project for building 6 indigenous next-generation nuclear-powered submarines for the Indian Navy, and a defense public sector unit is already working on a special alloy for the hull section that will enable it to operate at greater depths, even beyond the Arihant class of nuclear-powered submarines. Considerable progress has been made in the design phase of the advanced submarines, and a scale model is likely to be fabricated and tested shortly. The project has been granted over 100 crore rupees for the initial phase, and the development period is expected to stretch beyond 2025. The final design work is also underway on a new series of 13,500-ton submarines called the S5, which will be twice the weight of the Arihant-class submarines, and will be equipped with 12 ballistic systems. According to latest reports, the Kaveri engine is still not capable to achieve the desired thrust at the current stage, and Safran has offered its M-88 engine to be used as a base for the development of new improved Kaveri engine. Top experts have said that the use of M-88 core will ensure lifelong dependence on France, till India uses the Tejas Mark 1A medium-weight fighter and AMCA. A locally developed engine based on foreign technology will be more expensive than a directly imported engine, which is seen in the case of Russian AL-31 engines manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics, as all the raw materials and other components have to be sourced only from Russian suppliers. According to latest media reports, India has finally scrapped a $500 million deal with Israel for the purchase of Spike ATGMs from Rafale Advanced Defense Systems. Israel has been informed about the scrapped contract, as DRDO has claimed to deliver thousands of indigenous man-portable systems by 2021, which is the same time period during which the Israeli manufacturer would have delivered the Spike systems. Ahead of U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo's visit to New Delhi, India is lining up major defense deals worth around $10 billion from the U.S. The first deal expected to be finalized is the acquisition of 10 more P-8 maritime aircraft for $3 billion, which will be more advanced than the 12 such aircraft already procured by India. Other procurements include the purchase of 30 Predator drones for $2.5 billion, 24 naval helicopters for $2.6 billion, the NASAMS-2 for around $1 billion, and 6 more Apache helicopters worth around $930 million for the Indian Army. According to latest reports, 5 overseas companies have shown interest in setting up plants in India, and efforts are being made to invite collaboration to produce some of the raw materials that are used for manufacturing bulletproof jackets for the Indian Army. The armed forces have already placed orders with Indian private companies, but the companies are currently procuring the raw materials from China. The Minister of State for Atomic Energy has said that the Modi government has earmarked an exclusive budget of approximately 10,000 crore rupees per year for the next 10 years for India's nuclear plant expansion program. The first plant will be up and running in 2 to 3 years, and will provide cheap electricity to northern cities, and will also provide employment to 2,000 people. The Modi government aims to double nuclear energy production by 2030, as 21 new reactors with total capacity of 15,700 megawatt will be set up by 2031.